tayo. Nasa chorus. Parang hirap kantahan. Pero ganda ng boses mo. Sa akin lang yun. Asan na si Kuya Tumaw?
That's better than the original.
Mamaya pa raw siya. Mamaya
It's
pa.
anti-fingerprint and won't turn yellow. It feels like luxury, but fits your budget. Look at that detail. Plus, buy 3
Ang bilis
and
naman ng
get
ikot.
20% off. Don't wait for it to go out of stock. Check out on Lazada now.
Igrabe mo na yan. Papasok na kayo bukas, may iwan pa yan.
Sobrang daming promos and sales ngayon sa mga malls. From clothing brands to daily essentials. Actually, I don't even plan to spend today kaso sobrang laki ng mga discount and halos 50% yung sale. Sayang naman, kaka-restock ko lang din kasi ng groceries and next week pa yung payday. Buti na lang, I have my Atomy card with me. Sobrang laking tulong. I get to pay for what I need without stressing in the moment. I get 0 interest on my monthly purchases or I can split them into 3 or 6 monthly installments. Sobrang happy ko kasi I have my Atomy card to rely on in times like this. Sobrang dali lang mag-apply sa Atomy app. One valid ID lang ang kailangan. No annual fees, no hidden charges, and no hassle paperwork. And get up to 200k spending limit. Kung gusto mo rin ng reliable and flexible payment, kumuha ka na rin ng Atomy card mo. Just download.
Ito po, kanta. Ikaw na eh. Hindi ka na order ng patong na cellphone. Wala.